This is my 2019 leather carving. I can't believe how fast time flies, but it's rolling right along. I'd like to wish you a happy and prosperous 2019 and enjoy your leathercraft and leatherworking. I certainly appreciate you watching my YouTube channel and my how-to videos, and you are appreciated. So I'd like to showcase a few of the handmade things I've made throughout 2018 and look forward to 2019 leatherworking.